Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install your first investment property with RealtyMogul step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the RealtyMogul website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information and verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the Investment Opportunities section. Browse through the available properties listed on the platform. Select a property that interests you to view its detailed information. Review key metrics such as projected returns, investment minimums, and property location. Download the offering documents for a thorough understanding of the investment. If you have questions, utilize the platform's available resources to seek clarification. Decide how much you wish to invest. Click on the Invest Now button for your selected property. Fill in the investment amount and proceed to the next step. Complete the required investor questionnaire to ensure eligibility. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Agree to the terms by checking the corresponding box. Provide your payment information to finalize the investment. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification about your investment status. Monitor your investment performance using the RealtyMogul dashboard. Stay informed about property updates through the platform's communication channels. Track your returns as they begin to generate income. Engage with the RealtyMogul community for additional insights and tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.